To create the drawing of the assembly, I'm going to start a new drawing as I do have any other time. When I go to browse and find the document, this time I'm going to pick the assembly and I'm going to open it. I will place these as I normally do. Front view, lower left, top view, aligned above it, right view, alt out to the side, and an isometric view. After placing the 4 views, I'm going to hit accept. I'm going to click the isometric view. I'm not only going to move it to the corner, but I'm going to make my 2 changes I make every time. Select shaded with edges, and I will come down to use custom scale, and I will half size it. Currently it is half scale or 1:2, and I may or may not see a 1:4 option in my list. If I don't see the 1:4 option, I scroll all the way up and pick user defined. That's when I can set it as 1:4. When I hit enter, it will be half size. So again, the isometric view is half the size of the other views and is shaded with edges. And again, moved up into the upper corner, not quite touching the border, but equal distant from it in plenty of space. In addition to filling out the title block, which I will not show in this video, you will want to take your right side view, and we know from doing this that there are 2 sections in here where we have these posts into the holes, but you can see neither the posts that are inserted nor the holes where they went. To fix this, we want to only in the right side view come over here to display style and change it to hidden lines visible, which is 1 setting to the left of where we started. At this point, you should see dashed lines that show you the hole, the peg inserted on the hole here, and the peg inserted in the hole here as well, so that we can see all of the features. Please do not turn that on any of your other views. After filling out your title block, this would be a completed assembly drawing to go as the first page in any packet.